Welcome to JH. Today, we'll learn how to create a GIF for Discord. Start with the video file you want to convert or an existing GIF you'd like to modify, whether it's a local file or a web URL. Next, launch your browser and head to Giphy. Log in or sign up using the button in the upper right corner. Once signed in, click Create at the top right of the homepage. You can now upload your video or paste a link. After it loads, trim the clip to your desired length and hit Continue. Now you can add text, stickers, or filters. To add a caption, type your message into the field and customize the font, color, and alignment. Use the text tool to place the caption, then resize and position it as needed. When satisfied, click Continue to upload. You can add tags here before clicking Upload to Giphy in the bottom right. Once finished, you'll reach a new page. Click Share and select Copy GIF link. Open Discord and go to the channel or chat where you want to share it. Paste the link into the message box and send it to see your GIF appear. To save it, click the star icon in the top left to add it to your favorites. To use it again, click the GIF icon in Discord, navigate to the Favorites tab, select your GIF, and send.